person, and then that's it. And then we have to show hands and you have the best. You can't knock. You can't knock out a shirt.
Mike, are you knocking? No, not yet. You can knock, right?
Yeah, if they have any cards, you cannot knock.
65 now.
Sing louder.
But the one that loses has to drink a half cup too, right? The one that loses.
That's pretty much everyone.
Oh man, everyone I lose to one person I got drink everything. No, you're like, no matter what. Only one person. Only one person you can drink. That's the best shot. You better make your best three right now. That's what I'm saying. I know you got to do 5.
Do anything louder.